Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some fun facts and history. The history of the sewing machine. But before we dive in, let me ask you, how many clothes do you have? How many tops, pants, kurtis or kameez, saris? 10, 20, 30 or 100 or plenty? Now, think about how many clothes your great-great-great-grandmother had. Probably just a few that she could count on her fingers, right? But it's not because they weren't rich, and you are. It's because clothes were costly back then. The growth of the fashion industry over the last 2 centuries has made mass production of clothes possible. And it all started with the invention of a sewing machine. So, how was the first sewing machine developed? Who created it? Well, the first breakthrough came in the year 1755. Charles Frederick Wiesenthal, a German-born engineer, in England, patented a mechanical device to aid sewing. But that was not actually a sewing machine. In the year 1790, Thomas Saint, an English inventor, patented the first design for a sewing machine. Later on, his actual work was never found. The drawing present in the patent itself was so detailed that a man named William Newton Wilson developed the same sewing machine in 1874 and proved that whatever Thomas claimed in his patent was correct. The real breakthrough came in the year 1830, when Barthélemy Thimonier, a French tailor, was awarded to make the first functioning sewing machine, which could create a chain stitch using a hooked needle and one thread. Thimonier can be attributed to open the world's first machine-based clothing manufacturing company. In his factory, he kept 80 sewing machines that he had developed and started taking bulk orders. However, Thimonier's journey was far from smooth. As news of his machine spread, fear and anger gripped traditional tailors who saw it as a threat to their livelihoods. In a tragic turn of events, a mob of enraged workers stormed Thimonier's workshop in 1831, destroying his machines and forcing him to flee for his life. Now I am going to tell you the most interesting and dramatic story in the history of sewing machine. At around the same time of Barthélemy Thimonier, another person named Walter Hunt, in another part of the globe, in the New York City, invented the lock-stitch machine, first time in the history of sewing machines. The first to use 2 threads and a shuttle. However, Walter Hunt did not patent this initially. Few years later, Elias Howe invented another lock-stitch sewing machine with much improvement. But his marketing attempts flopped and he went off to England, hoping for better luck. Things go from bad to worse. He was drowning in debt, his wife died, and he can barely arrange enough cash to return home in New York. When Elias Howe finally makes it back to America, he discovers Isaac M. Singer, yes, the owner of the Singer Company, which is very famous now, using his design without permission. Elias takes Singer to court, kicking off a dramatic legal showdown between the 3 gentlemen, Elias Howe, Walter Hunt and Isaac Singer. What do you think? Who might have won this courtroom drama? Let me give you few seconds to guess. Against all the odds, Elias Howe became victorious. Though court had agreed to accept Walter Hunt as the first inventor of lock-stitch sewing machine, Elias won the patent because of his improvement. Additionally, because Walter Hunt has not patented his machine on time, during the 30s when he invented it. Isaac M. Singer has to pay hefty royalty to both the inventors. But Isaac M. Singer was a smart businessman. Singer became most successful in making commercial sewing machines, and the Singer machines dominate the sewing machine market even today. Gradually, Singer Machines has become the most popular household name. However, Singer's first sewing machine was owed to Elias Howe and Walter Hunt. Today's lesson ends here. Before ending the video, here is a brain teaser for you. In the long history of sewing machines, there is a fascinating connection between a dream and a groundbreaking invention. Can you guess which inventor had a dream that led to a crucial sewing machine innovation, and what was that dream about? To know this, read our blog post on History of Sewing Machine, linked in the description. Once you find out, comment us below. If you have enjoyed so far, please like this video. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to keep watching fascinating videos like this.